Hi, I am Anshu Thapa. I am from Dehradun. I work in outdoor as an outdoor instructor. First, we do an ice breaking by introducing ourselves. Then, we introduce the people who are coming with us for climbing. We move towards the warm-up session. We talk about equipment, their uses, their purpose, and how to wear them. For example, we talk about harness, we talk about rope, we talk about carabiners, we talk about helmet, chalk and chalk bag, and climbing shoes. We make them climb. At present in Maldevta, we have 3 climbing routes for the beginners. We are looking forward to create some more. Then we tell them about climbing techniques and bit of tips which will be useful for them. As we all know, climbing is not an individual sport. We teach them about belaying too. Belayer is someone who makes a climber's climb safe, secure and successful as well. About our bouldering workshop, it is an introduction towards bouldering, where we tell them what is bouldering. It is climbing a 10 to 12 feet big rock. You don't need any equipment apart from your climbing shoes and a chalk bag. But you do need few important safety stuff like crash pad. You need few more climbers who act as a spotter. Spotter is someone who protects your fall while doing a bouldering itself. Feedback and reflection is something that you go back and think what you have done and where you come as a group, where you talk how it was personally for you. We as an organization really believe that any feedback that comes from the climber is really important to us, and we always look forward to work on that. Not only to make their experience better, to always make our quality better as an organization. After climbing 4 to 5 hours, they kind of like rediscover themselves, who they are, what they really want to do. And the best thing is that they always want to come back. We want you people to come and climb with us, experience something new, which is happening in Dehradun.